Steph here, and today we are doing a little tour of downtown Palm Springs and some sights to see around here. So it's sunny and warm, and we're gonna just stroll along and check everything out.
Right now we're gonna look at these stars down here of the it's kind of like a Hollywood
it's a
Walk of Fame, Palm Springs style
or something, and they say famous people that have lived here contributed to the community.
So let's check that out.
So we're on Palm Canyon Drive, and it's really pretty. They have it all decorated for Christmas. Tomorrow is the annual Festival of Lights Palm Springs Christmas Parade. It's like in the top 5 largest Christmas parades in the country.
I think it's number 3.
Possibly, and they have all these little outdoor cafes and restaurants and eateries here. It's really nice. And we are along the Star Walk right now, and they have these stars in the ground for people that have contributed to the Palm Springs area, whether they're someone famous or they're a humanitarian or mayor or whatever. So you can walk along here.
It's Rick's Little.
Oh, Jeff found another one I'm gonna look at. Let's see what it is. Oh, Ernest Borgnine. Lots of Christmas fun getting ready for the parade here. And nothing says Christmas like Santa on a motorcycle. Gotta have that. Here's one in the Christmas spirit. Mike Allen, official Palm Springs Santa. And this little area is called the Village on the Green. It's a neat little area with a fountain. They have little shops, general store, museum.
There's a lot of good smells around here, I
Yeah,
must
it
say.
does smell good.
Yeah.
Here's a bunch more stars. We go all the way around this area. So this building is the Mccallum Adobe, and it's the oldest remaining building in Palm Springs. It was built in 1885 for John and Emily Mccallum. So that's pretty cool.
From the other side.
Here's Rock Hudson. And here's Debbie Reynolds' star. And here's Sonny Bono's star. And, oh wait, look! Here's Sonny Bono himself. Here's Mamie Van Doren. Sonny Thompson. Oh, this is a big one.
Yep.
Marilyn Monroe. She spent a lot of time here. Here's the Batman, Adam West. Marlene Dietrich. Cheers. Starbucks. We are having a beautiful day, enjoying the weather, sitting outside, got our iced Starbucks drinks. What could be better? Downtown Palm Springs is really pretty, and there's lots of shopping and stores and cafes and restaurants, and so we're just strolling around today, taking it all in, and people watching, and everyone's getting ready for the Festival of Lights Holiday Parade tomorrow, which is a pretty big deal here, so there's lots of Christmas decorating and stuff going on. P.S. Love you. Just in case you forget. Walking by this every day would definitely remind you. It's in this nice little courtyard. We came in here to obviously get our Starbucks, but then we saw this awesome little sitting area and benches, and you can just hang out here. the Liberace star. Aww. And Jeff and Lucille Ball.
We'll see.
I'm gonna get a close up of Lucy because she's there. You couldn't see her very well because yeah, Lucy. She looks pretty life size.
We'll see.
And here's the plaque. So you can hang out here with Lucy. Look at all the flowers along here blooming in December. And the bougainvillea. Beautiful. So nice to walk along here and see flowers. Look at this old postcard. Greetings, it says. Check it out. So we're at the Palm Springs Art Museum, which is, I'm going to swirl around here. It's right behind me, right there through the gates. And there are all these super cool outdoor displays and artworks. So the first one, I'm going to start showing you guys this. So this first one, this is the sign on it. It's the Fault Line Meditation. And it is an introspective path of the shape of California's fiercest landmark, San Andreas Fault. And it illuminates at night. And this is the fault here through the fence. You can see it. And they've done this path through here. And this is the way it is, the shape of it, and they illuminate the whole thing at night. So that's pretty neat. And the next installation is the Palm Springs Babies. And this is by a Czech artist, David Cerny. And it says this is a social media sensation, these babies. And they look like they're out of metal. And I am going to show you these closer up through the fence here. Look at these babies. Let's see if I can go around here. Look at them. They're on the walls. There's one climbing sideways. Pretty funny. It says the babies are here until 2020 and that a commercial building will be put here, but it's 2021 and I still don't see a commercial building, so maybe that was extended. Here is another view of the babies.
This is called the back view.
The backside view. Yeah, we're talking about those buns right there. Baby buns. You see how huge these are? I have no idea how big these are. What would you guess?
What does it mean?
No, how large are these? Scale-wise, it didn't say.
Oh, they're huge.
Yeah, these are huge babies.
They're like
well, you can
buffalo
see
size.
The cars up here in the parking lot compared.
They're huge.
So this whole art installation area is called The Block at Palm Springs. And they have all sorts of fun things to check out here. They have Graffiti Park and some of the sculptures we just showed you. And the actual art museum itself. So we're going to show you some more. And here is a giant Marilyn Monroe statue right in the road. The entrance to the art museum. And this art installation is called Graffiti Park. And it has all different sizes and shapes of concrete walls and pillars that have been graffitied up. And I'm sure there's some kind of semblance to this as to how they were placed. Fun, bright, and colorful to look at. All these installations outside here, it says they're temporary, and there's commercial buildings eventually moving into the spaces. But for now, it's fun to look at. eye candy. And this installation, and just nice peaceful sitting area, is called the Palms. The beeping's not so peaceful, but so you can walk through here. There's benches. You can sit, have your picnic lunch. Really nice, relaxing place. Another really cool thing about the art museum here is just the mountain range behind it. It's very pretty. And it looks like they have this little outdoor stage venue area with some grass for concerts or shows or something. And right in front of the museum, they have this beautiful shiny metal piece, and it looks like it's called the Shure Fountain, which is not currently on. And check out this art installation. It is literally a car, and the water's here on purpose. It looks like a fountain. Let's see here. Whoa! Yeah, it's some kind of cool muscle car for sure.
Yeah, with a huge oil leak under it.
Yeah, it's supposed to look like oil probably because the water does look black. They've purposely lined it with black liner to look like the car leaked oil or something. This is so cool. So we had a fun day today exploring Palm Springs.
In the richest town in America.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know if
It's
that's
probably
true.
NYC,
But yeah, it's been definitely a fun day. We saw all kinds of neat things, and it's just beautiful weather here, and they're getting ready for the holidays, which is a lot of fun.
So we'll be down here for the parade tomorrow.
Yeah, join us
Right.
tomorrow night for the Festival of Lights Christmas Parade in Palm Springs.
And I heard Barry Manilow was the MC last year, so we can only hope they pull out some old crooner this year again.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, yeah.
So we hope you all are well, and remember to like and subscribe these videos, and we'd love to hear from you if you want to send us a comment. Take care, everyone. Stay healthy.
See ya.